Papa, hold my hand properly, na?
He couldn't even hold my hand properly. Even at our wedding, I held his hand.
Yes, and from then on,
Aha!
she is hand holding my life as well. You get married, you will know. Even Samiksha wasn't planned.
Hello, brother. I am fine as I am for some more days. I love being in love.
Careful, brother. Being in love is dangerous game. One wrong move, and you will be forced to get married.
Stop it, you two.
Guys, please concentrate, yeah. The energy chain shouldn't be broken.
JS Residence, here's the test result. Your family undergone a test for COVID. All the best.
No!
Let's pray before opening it.
What is the use of praying now? You should be careful before putting everyone at risk. Don't blame the spit if you spit on the sky.
People should make sure that they are not in hell before complaining about punishment. You know what, Samiksha? I have this immense magical power
Really, Papa?
to meet up my girlfriend, friend in a crowded place without mask and yet have no chance of virus kissing me. Hai na, Papa? Kamdev, Baba?
Papa, who is Kamdev?
Kamdev is...
Come on, guys. It was a secluded place.
What were you doing with your special friend in a secluded place?
Well, he was expounding Gita to her, isn't it?
By that logic, you would have been a saint by now. Considering the number of times we have met in a secluded place.
Shut up. Now you go and study for your exams.
Secluded place में मंगल.
Exams are cancelled.
How I wish I would have got a cancellation from the kitchen. Since the time of lockdown, it's 3 times a day. Full course meal.
But last week you took a day off and ordered from...
Where's the thief? In my armpit. No doubt I'm accused too. But kissing generally involves exchange of bacteria and not viruses, and definitely not corona.
The delivery boy's temperature was under permissible limits. And the resto has best safety standards.
Listen up. The delivery guy who delivers food tests positive. The building in which he delivered food is locked down, quarantine.
But we didn't eat that food. We had fruits that day.
Oh, yeah? And the fruits were brought from the neighborhood market. The market got locked down recently because one of the vendors was coughing on the fruits and selling the same. You guys didn't see the video? The video was all over the news and social media. The video went viral.
उसके बाद क्या हुआ भाई? उसने वही बताया कोरोना.
You see, I am fit and full immunity. It's hardly any chance for me to get affected. And what?
Huh?
Maybe a dry cough.
Aha.
Dust allergy might be.
It's the same dust allergy.
Sam, get me a tablet.
You guys don't know, he's been having a minor throat pain for about a week.
Acha?
So, dust allergy maybe, eh? Right?
Ouch.
That is the problem. What is it really said yes. But then,
No.
What's this? You didn't tell me.
Ouch.
छुपाना भी नहीं आता और बताना भी नहीं आता.
relax, guys. It's a minor rash. I've already applied chandan and turmeric. It smells awesome. And it works nicely too. Right, Samiksha?
Samiksha, say something. Did he apply?
I can't believe that this was.
हाँ, लेकिन उसको क्या पता था?
Did you apply? I couldn't smell anything. Anyway, these days nothing smells good and nothing tastes good.
You had been to write your exams, na?
But that was well sanitized, unlike secluded places.
Enough, Samiksha. Jay, this is all because of you. She talks like this.
Yep, you also have bad habit of ordering food from outside under risky conditions and hiding it. Saying, no papa, when I asked, telling lies.
You also have a habit of going to get the damn newspaper. Also doesn't sanitize after the newspaper guy delivers it by hand.
What the fuck?
Fakar Zaman. She means he's a Pakistani cricket player who does silly mistakes. She just remembered him.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sure. As if I don't know. You guys underestimate we kids of this generation so much, na? The movie certificate UA these days is supposed to be parents to be accompanied by children. Not the other way around. Hope you guys understood.
Baba Samiksha.
Okay, guys. Listen. Let me open this envelope, and whosoever gets confirmed to be positive, they would. Whoever is found positive,
And they would?
they would.
They would?
They would?
They would be held responsible.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Relax. Relax.
Hey, let's meet up for a session of Bhagavad Gita this time and plan for a small Sundarkand. What say?
Hello, let's meet up for a session of combined studies.
Hello. Can you please note down the order?
Jaya and his family is negative. Young brother, kid, wife, and himself.
अरे चिंता ता चिता चिता चिंता ता ता अरे चिंता ता चिता चिता चिंता ता ता They don't make scary movies these days.
Yeah, people don't see them. It's all about love stories these days. Oh, I didn't mean to offend you.
Reading is much better. Movies can't give the same feeling. I mean, shit scared when you're reading a novel. I mean, sitting and scared when you're reading a novel.
Guys, relax. I know what it is. No need to be scared.
Sorry, sir. Actually, you're the daughter. The report which you got earlier is of Miss Jaya, and I got confused with Jay. The area is also same, and so more confusion. This report is yours, Mr. Jay and family. Here it is. But I got that Miss Jaya is in the next lane. And by the way, all the best.
No!
Is everything okay?